take notes. Niggas need to wake up. Niggas need to relax and take notes. While I take totes, relax and take notes.
All right, so what is Calvino's problem today? Problem today is I have the annoying reverse beep on the Toyota Prius that I need to get rid of. I can't stand it. It's the worst. If you own a Toyota Prius, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So this video, my problem, in case you have the same problem, this is for you. 2012 Prius reverse beep removal. All right, let's go. Let's get into this.
Relax and take notes. Niggas need to wake up. Niggas need to relax and take notes. Niggas need to wake up. Niggas need to relax and take notes. While I take totes, relax and take notes.
You can actually remove the seatbelt warning if you want, but we'll leave it. But it's just a nice added feature. So, if you've driven a Prius, you already know this, but I'm just recording this for the before so that you can see. Park. And that is the reverse beep. Highly annoying. If you already drive a Prius, you already know about this, but for everybody else, this is what I have to deal with. So I'm just recording it before so that we can see what it sounds like after, hopefully. Yeah, so basically, as soon as you install it, just waiting for the OBD to arrive and doing the app install is the longest, most difficult part. So here it's just asking for permissions like, GPS or audio or whatever. When I first turned it on, I kind of freaked out because I was like, what is this, man? I'm not connected to anything. It's just the demo mode. That's all it is. We're not worried about that. We're just going to go connect the OBD to the underneath the steering wheel and then Bluetooth and hit special menu, special features. And if you see, first thing that pops up, disable reverse beep. And that's it. Here I was actually shocked that I was like, is there something else I need to do? I didn't even... I'm gonna exit the app and see if it still does it. No reverse beep! Bro, sorry. I just had to celebrate because it's super easy, but just a one-time beep. That's all I need. I don't need a fucking notification that my car is backing up. I know that it's backing up. I put it in reverse. The dumbest feature on a Toyota you could ever ask for. Anyway, it's taken care of. It's done. That's how you do it. Very simple. If you don't want to go purchase a ODB2 device, you can go down to a AutoZone or something like that. I think they will let you use theirs. Especially, you saw it takes like 60 seconds. It's just a matter of getting that ODB to Bluetooth to connect to your phone. And once it's connected, just go through the app, hit the 3 bars, get rid of reverse beep, be good to go. And it's a done deal. Now, I am curious, and I'm pretty sure it doesn't matter, but I'm going to remove the ODB device and see that it does it. There's no reason why it shouldn't, but just in case, we'll test that out in case you're curious. ODB is removed. Turning the car off. Turning the car back on. That's just your normal startup beep. And now we're going to put it in reverse. A single beep. And we are good to go, baby. Thank God. And just in case, you still want to make sure, look here, I'm going to turn that way you know it's not, there's nothing to do with the Bluetooth single beep. Oh wait, that's the seatbelt. Hold on. Alright, seatbelt's done. Now we're gonna do it. Oh my God. That brings me so much joy. And I hope it brings you joy as well. So trust me, I know how you feel. That's why I made the video.
Is the lady who owns the Prius here?
Actually, that's me.
Oh, well, your wife's car is totaled.
It's my car.
Sorry. We were, however, able to save your purse.
It's a gender-fluid Euro carrier.
Either way, we'll have it towed back to San Francisco.
Hey, there are plenty of closer gay cities, you big ape. How did this turn into my fight?
You're gonna need a loaner. We have a pink Volkswagen Beetle you might feel comfortable in.
Damn.
Oh, Brian, we could be two in the pink. Take that one, take that one. I'm thinking of something sportier.
The red Miata it is.
Give me your manliest car.
Bill, I need a Hummer.
Again? You're insatiable.
Wise guy.
Wow, that thing's big. Brian, it's night now.